changed forever. Remote work has forced us to learn how to become video conferencing experts, making ourselves look and sound as professional as possible in our home environments. We've learned firsthand that the experience matters and that video conferencing needs to be equal for everyone. No matter what room size, focus, small, medium, or large, Poly Studio Room Kits for Microsoft Teams rooms offer exceptional audio and video for your most productive and focused calls ever. Organizations must ensure the collaborative connections we've been experiencing at home are continued and improved in the office. So, how will this be done? Having collaboration technology for groups is no longer enough. You need intuitive solutions for employees and associates to communicate and collaborate equitably from anywhere. Cutting-edge technology, such as PolyDirector AI, intelligently frames and tracks active speakers with pinpoint accuracy and smooth transitions between speakers so everyone feels connected and empowered. Be confident your conversation is always received loud and clear with audio technologies like Acoustic Fence that limits background sound from entering your team's audio stream, and Noise Block AI that minimizes clicking keyboards and adorable but distracting pets in work-at-home environments. From focused to large meeting rooms, Poly Studio Kits for Microsoft Teams rooms, available on Windows and Android, make working from anywhere equal from everywhere. Choose your Poly Microsoft Teams Rooms kit today.